Hello everyone, welcome back to another case study based on VLOOKUP with match. I think the true power of VLOOKUP with match will be illustrated in this example. What we have in front of us is a 2x2 matrix data. On one side you have the region names, on the other you have the quarterly performance profitability, which has subsequently been added up to get me the totals for the year, and this stretches up till 2008. Okay, now the question, I want to prepare a dashboard which says that based on my input values, any change I make, automatically answer should change in the third cell. It should show me East's Q208. Now you may be thinking of using VLOOKUP. I agree. You would have also chosen the correct lookup value by now. Since both are common to my database, let me ask which one is that common link that is given vertically. Lookup value East. Okay. Lookup array. It is precisely table array, that means the senior portion. So let me press Shift Control down and right. And at that very moment let me press F4, comma. So far no challenge. Now the true power of match will be understood here. Let's say I did not know match. I would have had to count the column index number. So Q208 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Halfway through I am almost tired counting that. So even after a lot of efforts, you were able to count that this Q208 is falling under 28th column in the table array, and thereafter you are writing 28. Okay, admire your hard work, mine too. Let me use false since this is not a slab. So 1016, but tomorrow if I change the parameters to quarter 108, no change in answer. So somehow I would want to automate this 28, one, to help me save the extra effort in counting and re-editing, and to automate it for future. So let me remove this 28 and in that position put a match formula. So whatever new thing that I'm going to put in, that's going to be within the parenthesis of match. Now if this is the senior, what is my junior? The junior will be starting from region till the end of the quarters. So primarily I am interested in quarters and years, so lookup value will not be East, it will be quarter 208. Okay. Lookup array, that will not begin from Q103 but from region. So Shift Control right, junior follows senior, as we remember, F4, comma 0. So three components look up for quarter 208, where in this junior region, and 0 for exact match. Let's see what happens after I press enter. Same answer, and the best part is any change you make, the answer changes automatically. And by the way, if you are asking me how to get this drop down, let me recollect. We had gone into data validation, within which we had chosen that please allow a list, the source of which I may define easily by selecting the source of data as given. So I quickly have a drop down list just like that. So quick recap, where is VLOOKUP with match used? Wherever you have a 2x2 data, one variable talking about, let's say, region, one maybe of quarter, the data set could be different in your case. You will be using VLOOKUP with match. Let me rewrite it. So VLOOKUP, please look for that common link which is given vertically in the first column. So do not look for 2005, look for West in this case. Table array, the entire data chosen, Shift Control down and right, F4. Till here not a problem, we have chosen the lookup value, then the table array, but now comes the tricky part. I'll be using match. Match, please look for 2005. Why? Because the junior, all of them talks about years. So lookup value 2005, comma, lookup array, starting not from here. I'll remember junior follows senior, Shift Control right, F4 comma 0 bracket closed. So this is just in place of that column index number 2 or 3 as we used to write. And lastly, since this is not a slab, let me use false. So there you go. This is the real application of VLOOKUP with match, especially when you have multiple columns and it becomes very tedious to count the column index number. Give it a try. Thank you for attending this session.